the laptop and jaw connection. Don't just affect your eyes or back, they can also influence your jaw. Another important factor, posture forward, head posture during laptop use can strain jaw and neck muscles. Here's what research suggests. Increased stress plus workload is associated with teeth clenching and grinding. Bruxism can lead to jaw muscle fatigue, headaches, tooth wear, facial discomfort. Over time, this may contribute to temporomandibular disorder, TMD, jaw pain, clicking sounds, difficulty opening mouth. Important clarification. Laptop use is not a direct cause, but stress plus posture plus prolonged screen time are associated with jaw-related symptoms. What can help? Maintain proper posture, take short breaks, be aware of jaw clenching, seek early professional advice. As digital lifestyles increases, understanding these connections becomes important. Oral health is part of overall well-being.